So it's that time of the year again, when the typhoon comes. Typhoon 10 Challenge, Part 2. So around this time last year, there was another Typhoon 10, which I did the Typhoon 10 Challenge. If I remember correctly, I went to McDonald's and got myself a burger. A double cheeseburger, to be exact. This year, another fucking Typhoon 10 comes. And apparently, it's the strongest it's been since, I don't know, 35 years or something like that. So yeah, while I was going to McDonald's, apparently I said something amongst the lines of, I should have brought my shampoo out. And, I'm sorry, it's so loud outside. It's raining. And I said I should have brought my shampoo out because it's raining so hard. A friend of mine requested that I bring my shampoo out. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna accept that challenge, bitch. I'm gonna take a shower in the rain. Here it is, my shampoo. Here we go. Well, you know what, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. Come on. Fucking A, this ain't Typhoon 10. What is this? A typhoon for ants? Let me squeeze some shampoo, man. Alright, I got my shampoo. It is fucking cold outside. The rain is fucking cold. Alright, let's do this. Let's do it, motherfucker. Wait, it's still on? Alright, it's still on. I don't think you guys can see me. Fuck. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Still going? Still going? I'm doing a lighter place. Is it brighter here? I think it is. Alright. Pretty fucking rainy out here. You know what I mean? I'm sorry, I need to keep checking if my phone is still going. I doubt it. But if you can see, I am taking a motherfucking shower. Let me go to a different place, man. This place sucks. It's fucking cold, man. Right. This is more like it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Yo, this is fucking cold, man. Is this even gonna wash out? Fuck. I need more water, man. This ain't enough water to wash it out. Shit. Fuck. Right. This thing's still going. I think I'm gonna have to continue back. My place, because there ain't enough rain outside. Well, hope that was good enough. Hope my phone is still going. And yeah, shampoo's dripping into my eyes. It's fucking painful. I'll catch y'all later. I love you.